Hi, I'm Mr. Brown, your instructor for probability and stats. So what I want you to do to get into MyLab, where this is where all your homework will be, you'll need to go into Blackboard, so csp.blackboard.com, and then click on courses, and then click on this course. Once you click on this course on the left side, there will be a MyLab option that you can click on, and then you'll want to click on all MyLab stat assignments. Click on that. It won't take you straight to this right away. This is where all of your homework will be eventually. At first, you'll need to sign up for this, and then you'll need to uh, pick a free day trial or 14 free day trial. So you have to click accept. You have to log in if you have a MyLab account. Otherwise, you have to create one. You can use your CSP account or your Concordia Academy account. That's fine. Either one is fine. And then you'll want to get into the course by they'll ask you for an access code. So let's see, MyLab access code. So they'll ask you for an access code. Whenever you get to that page, it will look something like this, just about something like this. And whenever you get to that page, you want to click on this down here, get temporary access without payment for 14 days. You want to click on that. Once you're there, then that should let you get into the homework. The homework's not due until Friday, but some of you are out beyond that, so I wanted to make sure you get in. All right, there you go.